Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today while I unbox my Boxycharm by Ipsy for May 2024. This is my paid box. And we'll give you a little sneak peek here. Let me see here. The theme for May is the Secret Garden. And this pamphlet I don't generally do too much with. It does, you know, give you information and who the icon box was for May, which was Patrick Star. You all know I use quite a few Patrick Star products. Boxy by Ipsy is $30 a month. Am I correct? $30 a month. 5 full-size beauty products. We customize 3. The Beauty Boost is an additional $15 a month, but you're guaranteed, I think, at least... Oh, gosh, what was the amount? I honestly don't remember. $49 or $79. I think $79 value of a product. Maybe $49. I'm not really sure on that. We pay $1.99 shipping and handling, and I do pay tax in my state. And I'm going to do the first product in here. I do have my phone here, so I'll know the products. So the first product, and I did choose this one, if I could get the front, from Benefit Cosmetics, the Pore Professional. And this is the Good Clean Up Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I did enjoy the sample that I received of this, so was happy to choose the full size. And right here, it's a pump. It does work really well. I do like it. So I'm not, you know, was happy to pick that for sure. And that's a $29 value. The next product that I did choose is from Jasmine Beauty. Right here. Here's the box. I think this is all sealed. I have the shade Light. I'm just opening the seal without cutting myself. Okay, so this is right here. Ooh, that's Light. This is a bronzing powder in Light. Wow, seems pretty dark for a bronzer. That's $28. Let's open her up. No mirror, but that's okay. Right here. Let's give that a little. Feels nice. It's nice and dark, though. Hopefully that's not too dark. No, I don't think it will be. I just put it right here. It's not super dark. Blends nice. That should go good with my skin tone. Okay, Beachside Bronze. Happy with that. Next is from... Where are you? From Half Caked. Right here. This is called The Script Primer and Lip Liner. I don't know if there's shades on this. $18 value. What does that say on there? Oof. It might say half. I have no idea what that says. It might say half-life. I'm not really sure. So this is double-ended right here. Lip liner and primer. So here's the primer. If I could, and it's, you know, like a balm type product. And then here's the liner right there in the shade. Let me just put a little bit on. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. That's really pretty. I wanted to give an update. Oh, my nose is running today. On the Dermalect products. Now, I've been using the, what is it called? The product that's for, like, lip lines. And you can use it for smile lines. And I've been using it for about a week. Notice that they're starting to get smaller and diminished. And if I'm wearing a lipstick that's a little looser on, like the one I have on today is, I think, one of Gwen Stefani's. So it's more matte and will stay put, but sometimes they will feather. That's not happening. So I'm going to continue to use that and see what happens. But so far, I'm happy. This is nice. How much was that? $18. That's not a bad price. And then the item that I chose, well, we'll save the boost for last. The items that they chose for me. Let's do that. Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. I have had this in the past. I think I have a little sample of Mineral Veil. This is really nice. I like their, you just pull this down, if I can do it. I don't know. Sometimes I need tweezers to, no, I can get it. You just pull this off, and then your product will come out there. This is, and you can put that back, because it will just, you know, it'll get back in the holes. And maybe I can get that back. I don't know if you can, but I thought I did on my other one. Yes, it will go back in. This is really nice for like a finishing powder. You know, Bare Minerals has some really nice stuff. I don't know the price of that off the top of my head. And then they chose the palette for me, and I think I did get this in PR, if I'm not mistaken. Is this open? I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I still haven't made that decision. I have probably about maybe 6 or 7 palettes to revisit to see if I'm going to keep or share. I'm really not sure. But if I think I did receive this in PR. So I will maybe keep one. Maybe I'll, oh yeah, I think I wanted to keep this. So I might share this one. I don't need to. So I'm going to cover the mirror. It's a great neutrals palette, is what that is. And they have some beautiful, you know, there's some purple in here, beautiful mirror. You do have a beautiful protective shield, but pretty much everything that you could want in here for neutrals, plus a little purple. So this is a nice little palette. Like I said, I'll keep one and share one. I obviously don't need 2 of the same palette. So one of these will go as a giveaway, and one I will keep, because that is a pretty palette, and we'll get lots of use, especially with the summer here. Let me just put all this stuff back in here. And then what I chose is from Kate Somerville, and I will always pick this as a boost. What they chose, I think, was from Fresh, and I'm always gonna choose a Kate Somerville because these are so expensive, and they work. So this is Hydra Kate, and this is a $78 value. So let's open this up so I can show you the product. This is so, this is so nice to have on your, in your bathroom, like if you kept it out. It is a pump. And AM and PM, like 2 to 3 pumps. Hydra Kate. And this is a recharging serum. But nice. Like, usually if I get Exfoliate, I share that with my sister. Some of the Kate Somerville I share with my sister. She loves Kate Somerville. But that one I'm going to keep because that's a serum. And I like a serum. So that's $78. So that's, you know, a little bit pricey. But that's why I choose it. So once again, I chose Benefit Cosmetics. The cleanser, I chose the Jasmine Beauty Bronzer in Light, which is really pretty. And that's right there on my hand. The Half Cake Lip Liner, that's on my hand also, and the Kate Somerville. And then they chose the palette and the Bare Minerals for me. The palette is from Ciate London. I'm sorry I did not mention that. And that's everything in my Boxycharm. Do you get Boxycharm each month? I would love to know. I appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.